Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by backing up your profile so you can revert quickly. This saves bookmarks and settings. Next, open Chrome's internal flags and search for the top Chrome MD option. Set it from the newer layout to normal to restore the classic tab and toolbar spacing. Once done, make sure to relaunch Chrome using the prompt so those experimental settings take effect. If you have admin restrictions, prepare to run Chrome with command line flags instead and continue to the next step. Now modify the Chrome shortcut to force legacy behavior. Edit its target and append command line flags like disable features equals Web UI DevTools experiments or the specific feature names that introduce the new Chrome UI. This tells Chrome to ignore newer UI experiments. Once applied, launch from that shortcut to test. Make sure to also check themes and extensions. Install a classic-looking theme or minimal UI extension to match buttons. Finish by relaunching Chrome and verifying that tabs, address bar, and bookmarks behave like the older UI. Confirm important extensions work and adjust their settings. If elements remain new, create a clean profile to eliminate profile corruption, or as a last resort, install a known older stable build while keeping your backup. If something goes wrong, clear cache data and revert flags one at a time to isolate the issue. This targeted rollback usually reveals which flag caused the problem, so you can restore stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.